So it is now more than 3 days. We want to remove the cassava from the water. They have become very, very soft. As you can see, you see that some of them are floating on top of the water right now because they have become soft and swollen. You can see them. You can see that. So we are going to remove them. And as we are doing that, we are going to wash them clean into the containers before we begin sun drying them. So that's the next step now. Okay, so we wash them inside the water itself and remove the back of the cassava, the peels. So wash them inside the water to make sure that there's nothing like sand. And then possibly you can squeeze them to remove some starchy parts. Then gather that into a container. So you carefully wash all the exposed parts of any dirt to ensure that there is no single dirt whatsoever. You can also squeeze them like this to remove any starchy parts and the excess water. This is very, very soft. And it has also undergone some fermentation that will destroy the cyanide acid. Don't forget, cyanide acid is in cassava and it's poisonous. So when you put it inside water like this, most of the cyanide acid has entered into the water. And that is why this water is not good for anything. If you pour this water on some plants, they will die because of the cyanide acid in the water. So we want to avoid cyanide acid. That is why it has to be soaked in water for 3 to 4 days or even more. So you can squeeze them to remove the excess water and some starchy parts. So the chickens have seen what we have here, and they love it so much. They love to eat this soft one after you have brought it out of water. And if you are raising chicken, you can be giving them this to eat. They love it. So squeezing, we are still going to do more squeezing when we have gathered everything together to remove excess water so that the sun drying process will be hastened. Otherwise, it will not dry in 1 or 2 days. It will not get dried in 1 or 2 days. So usually you remove this soft cassava from the water on the 3rd day, and you do it late in the evening and put it inside a container or like a basket or sacks, whereby the excess water will drain out overnight. So in the morning, they begin to sun dry them by spreading them in the sun on some dry surfaces. That is the best way to make it a sun drying process fast, because the excess water would have been naturally removed. This is more than 3 days, but less than 4 days. Almost going to 4 days now. But that is better, it's preferable. Everything would have become very soft. Now, when it stays too long inside the water, then that will be very, very bad, because at that point, the cassava tubers will begin to deteriorate and to be degenerate. So it should not stay longer than 4 or 5 days. In fact, 5 days is too long. 3 days or 4 days, preferably. So we can see the process. So we continue until we remove everything like that. Don't skip any part of the video, follow to the end. Then we have the clean cassava tubers. Now, this is no longer cassava tubers. It has become lafun, but wet type. It is not yet sun-dried. So the next process is to begin the sun-drying. Now, here are the cassava peels, which we dry off and then we pack it and trash them away. To hasten the sun-drying process, you remove these tubers from the water in the evening, then put everything inside a sack and tie it. Put it somewhere to drain the water away, or put it inside a basket for water to drain away. You can see here the water is draining out gradually from the base of the plastic because the plastic has a small opening under it where the water is draining out. Now, before we begin the sun drying process, we want to squeeze it. We're going to pack everything into a sack and squeeze it to remove the water. Don't forget, the water has to come out because the water is also part of the acidic water, and then it also makes the sun drying process to be prolonged if the water is retained inside. So that's the next thing we are going to do. We are going to squeeze it out now so that the sun drying process will be hastened.